In our next question 12, we have a man that pushes a heavy box along the ground. A force acts on the man's hand and the box. And we have another force that acts between the man's feet and the floor. So we are asked in which directions do these forces act on the man. So let me just highlight this word over here, on the man. So essentially, we are interested in the free body diagram of the man. So we want to concentrate on the man. So to draw free body diagrams, we have to be very mindful of what remains in contact with, in this case, the man. So at the man's hand, we have contact with the box. And the box is going to exert a normal reaction force on the man. And we should already know by now that a normal reaction force is a push force. And push vectors, basically we draw the arrow sticking into the object. So basically we have to draw the arrow sticking into the man. So you can see that the normal reaction force due to the box acts towards the left. So immediately this rules out C and D, and we have options A and B as our possible answer. Now on the other hand, at the man's feet, we have the normal contact force, which again is a push force, so I will draw it sticking upwards. But in order to keep the man moving forward, basically the man is sliding his feet backwards. So if his feet is sliding backwards, this would mean that we have a frictional force that pushes the man's feet forward. So the force on the man's feet is acting generally towards the right. And so our answer is going to be B.